Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to create Google account without phone number, or create Gmail account without phone number, or create email account without phone number. If you want to create a personal Gmail account, or create business Gmail account, or create multiple accounts, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video, and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Gmail. After that, you can see right top corner, click here. After that, choose add another account. Choose and open Google. After that, you can see create account, click on it. You can see for my personal use, after for work or my business. So instead I can choose your need option. I can choose for my personal use, click here. Google, create a Google account, enter your name. You can see first name, after that surname. So in this here you can write your Gmail account first name. After that write surname. You can see in this time I can write my first name Daniel. After that write surname Victory. After that choose next, click on it. Enter your birthday and gender. You can see birthday day, month, year. After that gender. So in this time I can choose and select your birthday day, month, year. So first of all I can choose and select day, and then I can write my birthday day. After that open month. After that write year. After that choose and open gender. You can see female, male, rather not say customized. My gender male, so I can choose male. After that choose next, click here. Choose your Gmail address, pick a Gmail address or create your own. After that I can choose third option, create your own Gmail address, and then click on it. You can use letters, numbers and full stops. Create a Gmail address, and in this here write or create your Gmail account or Google account Gmail address. After that choose next, click here. Create a strong password. Create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. After that you can see password. So in this here you can create your Gmail account password. After create your Gmail account password, and then you can choose next, click here. Review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. After you can see my Gmail account name and Gmail address or new Gmail account. After that choose next, click here. Scroll down. After that choose I agree, click on it. After that again Gmail, open it. Scroll down. You can see personal info, security and sign in. So first of all I can choose and open personal info. You can see my Gmail account name, Gmail account birthday, Gmail account gender. After you can see my Gmail account, and then go back. You can choose and open security and sign in, click here. Scroll down. You can see Google prompt, recovery phone, recover email. After you can see recovery phone, add a mobile phone number. You can see no phone number or no mobile number visible in this here. That's when I can easily create Gmail account without phone number, or create Google account without phone number, create email account without phone number. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.